chicken.
What are we doing?
Deep frying this chicken.
That's some serious looking batter right there. Looks pretty nice.
I don't know if it's serious, but
Deep
we're gonna
fried
see.
chicken.
We're gonna see.
And it's
I'm hungry. You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Well, that's why we're making this chicken.
Is
This
that
chicken, this is not like a GMO chicken. My buddy made it.
nice? It came from up north?
Why don't you put the camera on this chicken?
Okay.
Look at this.
Very nice looking chicken.
Yeah.
She's a sexy chicken. Sexy chicken.
Not really.
She's not fat. I don't see any fat on there. And she's gonna go in here.
What's the temperature at?
240.
Maybe 350.
350. Then we're ready to go.
Hopefully we don't have a fail. I'm gonna put it.
It's going in the oil.
I'll put it in this one. West side first.
What's like this?
Come on. Oh yeah. Beauty.
That's pretty amazing.
Pretty cool.
I guess we'll be back after it's fried.
Yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna take. We're gonna stick the thermometer. It's like,
In the cabinet.
yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's golden brown right there.
Yep.
It's almost ready.
Money shot.
Look at that.
She's a
See it?
beauty. Yes.
Yeah, look at.
Wow. Very nice.
Pretty fast too. Pretty fast. Put the lid on. That's your chicken.
Excelente. So we've come to an end of the deep fried chicken.
Yeah. What happened to the chicken? Oh man.
I think it's game over.
That chicken crossed the street, bro.
And then make it to the other side.
Oh no.